The best pancake griddles help you make pancakes quickly without long standing over. Plus, you do not worry about your pancake stick or getting burned while cooking. You can get plenty of appropriately sized pancakes with fluffiness and fine texture. This product line provides even heat distribution to the entire cooking surface, resulting in perfect cooking progress. Besides, these appliances come with a compact design to suit any of your kitchen space. You also clean them effortlessly by hand or the dishwasher. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 pancake griddles on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Presto Removable Handles 22-inch Electric Pancake Griddle. This pancake griddle is the top product among 15 kitchen appliances introduced with a large cooking area, functional design, excellent heat control, and easy maintenance. Plus, it suits any of your kitchen spaces. With this device, you can make a huge batch of pancakes to serve as a sweet treat at your potluck party since it is over 200 square inches wide. Plus, it comes with a non-stick cooking surface to release food easily without tearing and clean conveniently. Besides, the device has the Control Master system that automatically controls the surface heat while cooking. Therefore, you can get evenly cooked pancakes without burnt edges. It is equipped with plastic cool touch handles for safety when you flip the pancakes. Plus, you can remove the slide-out drip tray, power cord, and handles to clean quickly without any hassle. What's more, this kitchen tool offers a heavy cast aluminum base to prevent it from warping and becoming deformed when in use. You can use this appliance for cooking other kinds of food, such as eggs, bacon, hash browns, and sandwiches. Number 2. Mini Maker Electric Round Pancake Griddle. This pancake griddle is a budget-friendly kitchen appliance to buy and use at home. Plus, it comes with a compact size and stylish design to suit any of your kitchen space. You can place it on your countertop and store it in narrow areas. You merely plug the device in and wait for a few minutes until the indicator light turns off. You will get a fantastic pancake for your breakfast since this product heats up quickly. Furthermore, it is equipped with a dual non-stick cooking surface, allowing for even heat distribution and consistent pancakes. What's more, this appliance is lightweight enough so you can use it to make breakfast during picnics, campaigns, and other outdoor activities. You can lift the lid effortlessly with a stay cool handle. Hence, it keeps your fingers safe when in use. It also comes with non-slip feet to provide a stable standing in place. Number 3. Zojirushi Gourmet Sizzler Electric Pancake Griddle. This pancake griddle is the top electric-operated model since it has variable heat modes and an efficient temperature control plug. Therefore, you can create delicious pancakes with full flavors as your preference. You can cook for your family members or a crowd at once because it is equipped with a large cooking area. Plus, the surface is made of ceramic with a non-stick titanium coating, allowing for durability and easy cleaning. Besides, this device comes with a convenient lid to increase the cooking speed. The plate is placed inside the griddle to keep you safe when in use and prevent it from scalding. Furthermore, it has a convenient spatula to flip your pancakes easily. You also cook other kinds of food, such as steaks, eggs, bacon, and vegetables. If need be, this device is also a suitable method to rewarm pancakes within mere minutes. Number 4. OXO Square German-engineered coating pancake griddle. This pancake griddle is compatible with plenty of stovetops, except induction. It features a smooth, flat bottom to place on stovetops without any hassle. Besides, OXO is the top brand, so you can trust its products without worrying about the quality. You can cook any kind of food, such as hamburgers, eggs, and bacon, in a broad cooking area. Plus, it is safe for use with an oven up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Thus, you can get roasted vegetables and seared steaks easily. Besides, this product is equipped with rolled edges to prevent excess fat and food juices from dripping off the ground while cooking. You can flip your pancakes conveniently thanks to 3 layers of the non-stick coating. The comfortable handle keeps you safe when touching the device. The appliance comes with efficient heat conduction and excellent scratch resistance so that you can trust its cooking performance and durability. Number 5. Bella Ceramic Titanium Non-Stick Coating Pancake Griddle. This pancake griddle comes with a unique ceramic non-stick coated cooking surface. It is also enhanced with titanium for superior durability and scratch resistance. Besides, it is 8 times more durable than regular coatings. Plus, this non-stick coating allows you to cook 30% more quickly than normal products. It does not contain lead and cadmium. Furthermore, you can create fantastic dishes without oil and release them easily. This device provides an even heating mechanism during use. The surface is hard to deform over time. You can control the temperature effortlessly with a removable probe and a dial. You can use an integrated ledge with a backstop and a stay-cool grip to flip pancakes when in use. You will get other kinds of food, such as meat, bacon, and skewers, in just a few minutes. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.